Hey guys, welcome back today to another devlog. Today I'll be showcasing what I've done for my game. So as you can clearly see, I've got a character now. It's animated, jumping animations. It's got an idle where it sways around, walking, and a jumping animation. I've also made some changes to the map, as you can see. Main one is I made this a dark material down there, so you can't see it when you go down. It's kind of mystical, I guess. But I'll show you guys how I did the animations. So I made a blueprint here, and I used create a look state machine into the output close. This is how I create the animation. I don't know why it's like this in the preview screen, but it's pretty funny, but it's what it is. I call it locomotion. Click on this. This has the animation. So this is the idle walk animation, goes into the jump animation, back down again. All I have here is in between. It's got a boolean variable to say if it is the character is jumping and the transition of the jumping animation, which is literally just that. And then obviously when the character is not jumping, it goes back to the idle walk animation. This is the blueprint here, and I've got the animation here, which I'll show you real quick. Right in here. Again, I don't know why the character's gone like that. It's like in the floor, but this is fine. But yeah, as you can see here, this is my breathing idle animation at the very start, and then as soon as I get to 10 speed, I start walking, and it previews it right there. And then I put in my skeleton mesh obviously here, so I can see the character there. But yeah, it took me a lot of time to create this animation, as for some reason there's a lot of issues popping up, such as the character, the root for the character in the mesh, and the skeletal mesh was not working. It was not importing correctly. There's issues with the animations. With that same issue, I had to change the skeletal mesh. Also had to restart the character because the file got corrupted. I also had to make another character, which I'll show you now. This character didn't work either, as I messed up the rigging a bit, as I was still learning how to rig the character up. However, I managed to fix that. Here is the character animation in Mixamo in the preview section, all rigged up and all ready for my game. Another thing that I was working on today was the weapon equip feature. As you can see in this video, I've come across a bit of an issue where I walk into the sword and my character gets thrown completely. However, I fix this by turning off the collision on it, and you can see it attaches to my player now. So I simply need to fix it up, which I'll be doing for my next devlog.